So this is how you download the plugins and the sample packs, the music I make, like the beats I give you. Everything is for free, okay? So this is like, if you think about it, it's the same as YouTube ads, okay? Here, if you want, you can buy premium. It's like $2 something. I have no idea how much. It's like premium, and you can just watch everything or like download every single thing from me without ads. Here, it just ads. You can click here to enable notification. Watch an article. It's like this will take you like 1 minute to complete. I can show you. I will right now. Okay, so you can skip if you want to. Here, only you can click here to just enable notification. It's just like super easy. I will just show you. Okay, give it a sec. It will just give you a red, like, yeah, here we go. Green, not red. Here, watch an article. Sometimes it just do like this. Just wait for it. Here, you can see 9, 8. Just like wait for it. Okay, that's it. And then boom, click it. That's it. Here, you just watch a video. Okay, just watch a video. It's like 1 minute, yeah, and that's it. You'll have every single plugin, every single sample pack, my music. Just saying. So as you can see, I watched the full video, and then just click here. Boom, download. That's it. Just click here, and that's it. You'll have the plugin. Just download it. Simple as that. I hope this was helpful or like informative, because everything I give you is for free. This is just ads for me to like support me. Everything is for free. I don't give you something for free and then tell you it's not for free. Just saying, it's not logical. So don't worry, everything that I say for free is for free, okay? So I hope this was helpful to like teach you how to download everything I give you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and be nice, my demons.
I'm addicted to the fame, I'm addicted to the power. I am they were devour. I go in here and I'm screaming for power. Give me more, God, because I am not done. I'm the devil. Yes.